Good morning, you guys, and welcome to my channel. I just want to say thank you for tuning in. This is my first time recording myself. You guys, I'm driving. Excuse me on that, but this is my first time getting started with a YouTube channel. So let me know what I need to do to fix it or change it, or make it a little bit fun. Leave your comments at the bottom. But on today, I am on the way to Bird Bakery. Many of you guys know that I make banana pudding and cobbler and things like that, pound cake, all of that. So I want to go try theirs. So I will be there shortly, and I will let you guys see, and I will give my review. Be back in a moment, you guys. Today I'll be trying their banana pudding. It also comes with the wooden spoon. See, they do use real vanilla wafers. It is not the off-brand. OMG, it is so good. It is soft. It just melts in your mouth. I taste the banana at the bottom. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna have to save some of this. I can so see myself here eating this every day. Oh my God. You guys see the whipped cream? Okay, you guys, that's it. I'm gonna save the rest for my son. One more. One more. One more for the road. It was great. Okay, you guys, I just left Bird Bakery, and I just have to say that I love the vibe. They are welcoming. It's cold in there. That's the only thing that I didn't like, to be cold early in the morning. But other than that, I love the vibe. It was beautiful, nice, warm colors. Everything was fresh. Everything was made fresh daily. You can tell. I just love it. I will definitely be going back. Talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.